How to unhide apps on iPhone. There may be times when you hide certain apps on your iPhone for privacy or some reasons. But later you may want to unhide them. So let's get started. Swipe all the way left to the app library. Search the hidden app name. Then tap and hold the app. Tap on Add to Home screen. Also, if you found the hidden app in the app library, tap and hold. Then drag it to home screen. That's it. Those are the steps to unhide apps on iPhone. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.